This is from distinguished Senator Dr. Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah to the Senate President. Notification of movement from the Young Progressives Party, YPP, to the All Progressives Congress. I am willing to formally notify, and I hereby notify and inform the distinguished Senate President and our colleagues of irreconcilable differences between me and the leadership of my party. I have therefore resolved to move from the Young Progressives Party, YPP, to the most important party in Africa, the All Progressives Congress. As a dedicated politician and a representative of my people, I believe that this move has become exigent owing to the growing need and call from my constituents to align myself, my political party, and my people with the best values and practices inherent in the All Progressives Congress, the ruling party in Nigeria. After careful consideration and due consultations with members of my family, my constituents, my political associates, and critical stakeholders of Anambra State and Igbo, and after thorough evaluation of the political landscape in Nigeria, particularly the good works being done by the All Progressive Congress since the emergence of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu as President Commander-in-Chief in Nigeria, I have come to the realization and conclusion that the All Progressive Congress is better suited to champion the ideals and principles that I hold very dear. The APC's commitment to good governance, economic development, and social progress resonates deeply with my own convictions and its national reach, and the alignment of its members on key national issues make it an appealing choice for achieving the promises of any decent politician, and particularly the promises that I made to my constituents to better the lot of all of them. I've been the national leader of the Young Progressives Party for several years, and I'm grateful for the opportunities and experiences this availed me. However, as our nation faces numerous challenges, which has trickled down to my constituency, it is crucial for me to align myself with a party that has the capacity to address these issues effectively, despite the noise in the social media, for the betterment of my constituents and Nigeria as a constituency. The All Progressives Congress has demonstrated its ability to lead and to govern with purpose, both at the national and even at the subnational levels. I'm particularly impressed by the renewed hope initiative of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, and I found it needful to join the trend so as to initiate my senatorial district into the laudable vision of Mr. President. I look forward to working collaboratively with my colleagues in the APC, particularly in the 10th Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to bring about positive change in our beloved country. Whilst thanking you, Mr. President of the Senate, and my dear colleagues, I want us to bear in mind that we have no other country than Nigeria, and all reasonable hands must be on deck to move this country forward in peace and progress. Please accept, sir, the assurances of my distinguished regards. Signed, Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Ubah, Commander of the Order of the Niger, Anambra South Senatorial District,